17 years of my corporate life. So this is it. If I continue, nothing going to happen. Nothing, right? This is what exactly I wanted to start. Now from where to arrange the money? It was a big money for me. It was equivalent to 1 crore. I never see that money together, right? Never see that money together in my life. Correct? It like my 3 to 4 months of salary. So it's very difficult for me to arrange that money. And I still remember my little girl, her name is Zoha. She was just 3 months old actually. Just 3 months old. And you know, I remember in Kuwait, medical is free. But she was having a fever. She was having a fever. And we were not taking her to doctor because the doctor is free, hospital is free, medicine is free, but the taxi will cost us 2 kd there and 2 kd coming back. Almost 5 to 6 kd cost us, right? So we don't have that 6 kd. You know, first time when Hakim called me to meet my upline, I did not go. I know I did not reject it, but I switched off my mobile. You know why? When I reached home, it was Thursday. When I reached home, I realized I don't have money to go by bus, and it costs 150 fils, guys. Working in that level, I don't have money to go by bus. So that meeting got cancelled. Begging him, he picks me next week meeting, right? Next Thursday. So I went from my job directly to that JW Marriott hotel to meet him actually. So the next go, no, actually that's what I'm telling you. When I see the plan, I don't have money to start. Look, I don't have money to treat my little girl, right? I don't have money to treat my kid. They're having a fever. So we were giving some sort of medicine and we were adjusting, right? We were adjusting, nothing else. So don't know exactly what to do. I don't have money, but I have a reason to start. I have a reason to start, right? I don't have time also because I work so much. Morning 7 o'clock I have to report. I'll come back at 7, 8 o'clock in the evening. So there is no time, only Friday, 1 day off. And 1 day I use for iron, the other stuff to be done, right? No movie, no excitement, no entertainment, nothing in life, right? That was life. But you know what I arranged? You have no idea how I arranged money to start the business, man. It was not easy at all, actually. At all means at all. It was not easy, means it was not easy, right? I was so damn desperate, right? Correct. Because, you know, that money which required in this business to start was very small, but it used to look very big for me. Very big for me, right? I'm talking about 4.5 to 5 lakhs, man. It's not big. It's nothing, right? What you can do with 5 lakhs? Nothing 5 lakhs, right? What you can do with 5 lakhs? Nothing. But that money was not there. I have done so many things. You have no idea, right? You know, literally I was thinking, could not arrange the money. I was literally thinking I will remove my shirt. And I remove my shirt and I beg people, right? I want to start badly, right? I was like ready to burn actually already. I get your point. So somehow by borrowing money, by selling gold, by traveling to India, I took a flight and went to India. You know that? I took a flight, Air India, went to India, sold some gold, converted money to Kuwaiti dirham, come back to Kuwait, top up my loan, and I took another loan and started the business. And all this happened in 1 week, to 8 days, because I was so desperate to start. And after starting the business, you understand? After starting the business, suddenly there was no growth, right? A lot of problems was there. Oh my God, I started facing a lot of more problems when I started the business, right? There were a lot of issues was happening after starting the business. Correct. Immediately after business, the people come to know I'm doing this. Everybody used to send me a good advice in a nice packet. Correct. In a nice packet. They used to send me Google link. They used to talk to me. And I remember I called a lot of people, including the guy who spoke to you today, right? Who edified. You know what? I showed the plan to him also. He also told me this will not work. It's like, you know, it's not my cup of tea, right? Everybody, you know, it was not that, okay, I put a lot of my hard work money. This money, I have to work another 4 years to pay back. You get my point? Not only that, right? Then I have to sign up my mom. I have to sign up my dad. You know that horizontal process, right? I don't know. So I was so stretched. Can't breathe even, right? Can't breathe even. Correct. But you know what actually? In first year in the business, I was burning right, left, center actually. Right, left, center, right? Then later I understand why am I getting lot of rejections? So many rejections, right? Correct. Keep getting rejections. People were not there with me. Things were not okay. Correct. And my upline was, I was so scared to talk to my upline. Whenever he comes to Kuwait, he comes on Thursday, either on Friday, either on Saturday, right? Look, I can't, he's not in that level that I can talk. No, that day I don't know the company. I never seen the company. I don't know the positions in the company. I don't know those stars in the company. The finance and all I understand later, right? Very later I understand. It took me 1 year to understand the finance. The point, they would keep telling the finance. It's very difficult for me to understand, right? I attended almost 100 welcomes from my upline OEP Sachin Bhai, right? I attended 100 of welcomes in Kuwait. Correct. So every time I used to get 1 or 2 messages and I used to take those messages and try to implement, right? Nothing else. So extraordinary. I never used to crip and complain. Never ever I went to my upline and crip and complain, right? Because he always tell in every situation what to be done, what not to be done. There is nothing else, right? And whenever he come to Kuwait now, first the third or the fifth or sixth person who stand, right? Like there are so many people who close to him. Used to be in the back. Why in the back? Because I'm scared of coming in the front and talking to him, right? My point. But I used to listen to him very carefully. I don't know about the 6-7 people who surrounded with him, right? But I was in the back person. But I kept him here. Are you getting my point? I kept him here, right? I was taking every messages he used to tell. I was feeding like nothing, and I was implementing the whole week till he come to next. There was no result. But I never went back to him and complained, right? Just working over and over and over and over, right? In 1 year, I still remember, I broke multiple times. There was no money, food. Money to eat food. Situation was that I was thinking, oh my God, for so many weeks, I didn't have a good food. We used to sit in association, Bombay Chapati, right? It's a Bombay Chapati restaurant, and there were tawa fry, right? Where they fry the chicken and things from outside. Bloody the smells comes, and there used to be a water in my mouth where sheep can land actually. No money to buy, right? What to do? There are many times I walk 6-7 kilometers to attend association because I never had a money for a bus. I don't have a money for taxi. I used to walk all the way, and the kind of heat in Kuwait, you have no idea. Like if you keep water outside, you can cook a rice in that water, right? That much heat outside. I'm not just telling, ask anybody. I used to walk all the way. And who is there in association? Nobody. Everybody like us, right? Everybody like us. Why I walk? Because my upline told me never miss any system. Then why to make system? Why to miss system, right? My upline told me never miss any association. So I was bloody following whatever he tells me, not complaining about it, right? I do not want to complain, right? Bloody, I have an experience of 17 years. I have an experience of bloody 17 years in my life. To complain. I know I started an office boy to reach in this level. How much committed, how much focused, how much hard work I did, right? Then why to complain in this? At least I see hope over here. I see a lot of people like me who success, right? I heard a lot of success stories. The people from lower background, the people from higher background, the people from mid background. Everybody have an equal opportunity. Thank God I realized this. Right? So it doesn't make any sense for me to go and complain to him, right? Rather, I was following 100, not 100, if I follow 100%, I would have been somewhere else actually, but I was trying to do 100%, right? I was trying to follow my upline 100%, nothing else, right? So there was a lot of problems on the way. It's like you could say all the bridges got burned. I was left with one bridge, right? And you know what? That was the only one bridge where I want to travel. There was no other bridge, right? So this is why for us, there were no option in life. You know what? I was not attached with that bridge also. I was seeing so many people have that one bridge only, right? Like me. But the people are so much attached with those bridges. They get devoted lot, right? God, I was not attached with the bridge. I was attached with where I wanted to see myself next year or third year or fourth year. I was ready to pay the price for 5 or 6 or maybe 10 years, right? Because there was no other option for me. And I was not attached with that bridge, right? Attached with my goal. Goal is big thing to talk. I was attached with one thing. I bloody want to live my life, leave my job, and I bloody want to eat good food whenever I feel hungry without looking at money, right? That was a dream. Trust me, going in a good restaurant or eating from Tawa, from that Bombay chapati was a dream without looking at the price, man. It was a dream. So, I used to work day in, day out, right? That does not mean I quit my job because I have this business, right? Hello, I didn't quit my job. Was in my job, my upline used to tell, don't leave job. Initially, I was thinking, why like this, right? Every time I ask my upline, right, can I leave my job? Sachin Bhai used to say, don't leave job. Point. He used to pass the message every time. And I don't understand. I said, why not leave? Later I understand why not to leave job, right? Later, today I see a lot of people. I said, thank God I never left my job. Told me rather than leaving job, stretch yourself, man. Get more pain in your back, right? So this is what I did myself. You know what? I reach my home at 7. I don't go to my home. From my workplace, straight away I go to association. And I finish my association at 3 o'clock a.m., 3:30 a.m. Ask people, they know, 3:30 a.m., 4 o'clock a.m. Then I come straight away to my home and my eyes used to pain like nothing when I opened the shower, not to sleep, to go back to my work. To sleep in taxi. To get 1 hour sleep. Correct. But I never miss my association because my upline taught me, right? It's not good to miss association. Correct. It's too difficult. Today people complain, right? System, I have to pay money. Bloody, I also paid money for a system. The same system where you all attended, where I attended, the same, right? I was not excited. Somebody else taking, I don't know, right? Like today people are excited. Oh, today's system. For me, system, I said, God, give me one message which help me to leave my job. Give me one message that I will be succeed in this business, right? Give me one message that I can do bloody 1 DR, right? Give me one message that I can take care of this 1 DR, right? So every time I was like bloody open mind and I was ready to receive any sort of message which my upline talk, right? I mean, any system, I was there just to focus. I want to get one message. One message, right? I was like hungry for that one message, right? Like a beggar for that one message, right? It's not about who taking a system. Of course, yes. We partner Sachin Bhai took a system for bloody 1.5 to 2 years in Kuwait, right? So every time I sit, I come early, and I don't have that 2 KD to pay to enter into the system. You know that? 2 KD, right? And after a few weeks, they were attending a system. They were my downlines only. Correct? Not because of me, because of my upline, I got them, right? Correct? By committing on this, right? By committing, by giving the hard work. Correct or not? So you know what? No, I was so desperate. Can I say I don't have a money? Because those people who collect money in the entry, he used to be my dear. It's a shame to tell him I don't have money, right? I don't know how I used to manage. I don't know how I used to manage, right? But I never clip and complain to my upline till today. You should know how to use your upline, right? Are you getting my point? Upline is not there to cry in front of him, right? Because he is there already in your life with a purpose. He was, sorry, I don't want to tell about you. He was there in my life, correct, with a purpose. Has given me him in my life because my situation was not good, right? Correct. This is why I was asking. God has given me an angel. It does not make any sense. Go and tell Ki, I have a problem. I know a lot of people, they have a problem of paying the 2 KD in a system. Look, I also had a problem, right? Because I told you, right? I was not attached with the bridge, right? I was not attached with my journey. Whatever problem, things happened in the journey, right? I don't give a shit to that. I don't care because I'm so much attached to my God. So much, right? This is why other people finger cannot drive me. You understand that? Correct. So a lot of people type those keyboard warriors in Google, in WhatsApp, in Facebook. I give a shit to them, right? Because I don't attach into this all. I attach into my goal where exactly I wanted to reach in my life till today, right? Till today. So first year, second year was only trouble and trouble and trouble, nothing else. Nothing else. Correct. By God's grace, the team was growing in Kuwait by the help of my upline. He guiding us where to do, what to do, right? There was a newspaper ready to talk about us in the beginning, and we called him. He laughed. That day I took my honesty. That day I took when he laughed, I took honesty. Correct. He told me, I remember, welcome to a journey, right? Welcome to a journey. I don't know what kind of click happened to me. Correct. I understand this is my bloody business. Correct. This is my journey. Bloody has to face this, right? Like I has to face a death. I cannot run away from a death. So no matter what situation comes in front of me, right? Let everybody right. I give a shit to them, right? And I learned one thing from my upline. I have to be my own judge. I have to be my own court. I don't want to give into somebody else's hand, to judge about me, to judge about my company. I don't want to drive according to their opinion. Very simple, right? So all problem we face, whether it's a legal, whether it's a newspaper, whether it's a WhatsApp, whether it's a Facebook, everything, right? You know what? My eyes was not there. I was not able to see all this, right? Even business was not growing. But I was not able to see those things. Are you getting my point? I was not able to see those things. So busy of thinking, when will I bloody reach there, right? This is why, thank God when my upline used to tell me, increase your fish tank. I thought I have a small aquarium in my house. I thought I need to buy a bigger aquarium because he told me change fish tank, right? Bloody, I don't understand what is fish tank, right? Later on, I understand fish tank is not that aquarium you need to change. It's bloody here you need to change, right? Are you getting a point? So this is why I was ready to, I never become a full cup, right? You know what? This is what I told you the entire story, guys. Wherever I was before the business, till my business works, my cup was full of programmed by my society, by my 17 years of experience, my dad culture, by seeing a society culture, by education, where my friends are. This was there in my cup, where I'm coming from, right? To realize in business, until unless I'm not going to break this cup, I'm not going to be succeed, right? Succeed is very far word to tell. I will never able to make money from the business. Correct. Make also wrong word. I will be never able to give direction to money to come to my pocket. Do you get my point or not? Correct. So the direction required, this cup cannot attract money. Realize that, right? So the first thing I did in the business, I accepted, I managed this business, right? The business goes inside my blood actually. This is a life to me, guys. Today I'm telling you, this is a life to me, right? I can't even think about without one day in this business, right? One day without this business, I cannot even think. It's not about how much money you're making, right? It's about start seeing. Of course, yes, you have such a plan like that. He will never allow you, right? He programmed in my motherboard that I will never able to satisfy myself. Are you getting my point? So I realized the only thing I need to do, I need to erase the program and I need to allow my one upline to program what I need to be what I need to be actually, right? That's what I did. So one side, there was a lot of people who pull me towards that side, who tells me the problem, who was pulling me towards right problems. You know what? On one side, there was one person who holding my hand, right? My upline, we partner Sachin Bhai, right? So I had a choice where to go. And you know what? It's very easy to go this side and hug them. It's comfort zone, right? It's wow feeling. Correct or not? We can complain, baby. I never did right. And it's very difficult to hug him, right? Because he was telling a lot of things was not illogical to my head. Correct? He told me 3 years. I was thinking, what is going to happen 3 years? All the people I signed up, they are not growing. What's going to happen? He told me X, Y, Z. Correct? I realized, ready until unless I follow him. Correct? Until unless I don't empty my cup. Correct? I don't want to feed me, right? Correct? I don't want to use my brain. Right? I just putting 100% right, and I open myself without seeing any problems, right? I don't want to see any problems. He told me to increase fish tank, right? Which means what? He told me $500 every week. Upgrade yours. I was so busy looking at the $500, right? $500. I could not believe. I told some of them, he telling me $500 a week. Do you think it's going to happen every week? $500? gonna be bloody rich if it happens, right? Because $500 was so big to me that time, right? Correct or not? So he told me $500, upgrade your house. So from that moment, I was only focused on $500 and upgrading my house. Nothing else. He told me buy good shade, good buy shoes, buy bike, my favorite thing to buy a bike. He told me buy a bike. Correct. So I was completely, totally focused on each things which he bloody told me, nothing else. Not what Google told me, now not what newspaper told me, not what WhatsApp people send message, not failure losers tell me, right? I give shit to them because I know very well who they are and what they can do, right? It's a very simple. I have my own life experience. I don't need their opinion. I pay 17 years. My life. Are you getting my point? If I listen to these moral losers, correct, I'm going to be one of them and I have to bury my family in front of them, right? And they will all laugh. Maybe they will tell, I'm sorry for your situation, right? I bloody don't want that, right? I bloody don't want. Correct. So I was on it by my own. I was ready to follow anything what he tells. Correct. So he told me this. I was so busy of $500. Then he told me $1,000 when I touched 500. Then I was running behind the 1,000. Correct. Then he told me 2,000. Then it became 2,000. Correct. And there were a lot of challenges. It's not like 2,000 suddenly, right? And I start coming to Dubai. I don't know anybody in Dubai. You know this? No one actually. No one. Not a single person I know from Dubai. Yes, my father-in-law live here. I born in Dubai, but I'm not touched with him, right? Correct. I don't even call him. I come here, very difficult, no money to eat sandwich. I come here, I go to DIFC, I buy one green, because green tea costs approximately 10 dirhams. I sit 4 to 5 hours after system and I go back. First time I enter into Dubai system, I was looking Dubai people, oh my God. I was in the last, shy, afraid. This is Dubai, full of educated people, full of big shot people. I agree my point. I was sit in the corner and observe everything in my head, right? And it was a dream. I want to build Dubai. I told my play, don't me come. Then he told me, first I come, right? He told me, Midhu, you decided to come to Dubai. Remember, you never quit coming actually. Remember, you never quit coming, right? He told me, like, when I used to come quit, there was a lot of ups and downs, right? But one person signed up. You cannot quit coming. Look at the genuinity, man. Look at the honesty, man. Who can see this, right? This is why I tell, in this business, only genuine people can last. Youngsters cannot last. I agree your point. They cannot last, right? Those people who are honest, who are genuine, they bloody can make it big in this business. Correct or not? They can be in top 10. Because I know what he used to tell me, right? Correct. I know when my income touched 12,500, as he said, I know what he used to tell me whole night, what you need to do, right? Because of other people you're earning, what to be give back. Never show you who you are. Never be a client. Be a friend. Be there to them. Help them. I mean, this is what it is, man. Correct. This is what it is. So he told me, if one person signed up in Dubai, you cannot quit coming, right? Because you step one time your life into this is the responsibility. God is watching you, man. God is watching you. And I remember that day and today. Are you getting me? Today, I bloody live in Dubai, right? I bloody live in Dubai. Look at my family. They are very happy. They live like a queen and king. King and queen, right? They are like most happiest people in the world. I could tell I'm very proud of this. Very proud of this, right? At least my family is very happy. I'm also happy, but I'm not satisfied. Correct or not? I'm still pissed off. Far way to go, right? I want to grow and I'm ready to grow. I'm learning everything from my upline till today, right? I'm calling every then and there. He telling me like he tell other people also, right? The same thing. You see, this guy Jalil, correct? It's 2.5 years in the business. Maxing out as a platinum every week, 2.5 years, right? Same thing. He took messages from my upline, like me only. He tells what to be done. There is no any magical or computer science, right? The same thing you do. There is a people in Dubai who earn 2,000 dirhams salary. They were a typewriter. They bloody earn 200,000 dirhams, right? It's not a job. 200,000 dirhams. You know what? There is a person who sell machi. You understand? Fish in Dubai. Today is a sapphire star and maintaining a sapphire leaving, going to bring his mother, father, everybody in Dubai. Can you imagine this? A machi guys who sell machi in bloody Dubai because of this industry, because of our apply. I agree on going or not? Now, I have some rich friends also who are well educated. They used to earn 20,000 dirhams that day. They were like head off. They have certificates, but still they are there actually, right? And I'm so proud of sitting with those people who earn $2,000. 2,000 dirhams as a salary. I feel proud to sit with them. They're educated actually, right? But they are bloody followers. They follow, right? They follow. They are the people. They empty you. They empty their cup, right? I'm very happy to spend people like them, correct? And I don't choose to sit with educated and all these rich people who think they are rich because of we have a little good position, correct? In the job, I know what kind of position it is, right? Correct. I love to spend with this kind of people who used to sell fish, who used to be a typewriter, who used to sell mobile, and they're become bloody $10,000 earning every bloody week, right? They are earning $12,000, $13,000 a week. I feel proud to sit with them, right? Because they follow, they allow to learn everything from their upline, right? So there is no magical. There's no magical, right? So the more we educated, we have so many bridges to pass, right? That we think actually, think that we have so many bridges, right? I also had an option of so many. My job was not bad when I started the business, right? My job was good social status. As I told you, I Rolls Royce, Cadillac, everything premium brand, everything was there, right? But I was cooked inside my head actually, right? I know what exactly I was going through over here. I get my point. I know if I continue 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, nothing going to happen, right? For that, I don't need to be educated. I don't need to be an MBA holder, right? Bloody see 15 people ahead of you. See, look at their life. I know that's what me. Correct. So I don't have to leave my 15 years and realize nothing going to happen, right? It was there. I get computer science, right? I followed, correct. I allow to be sponge. I don't see my applying problems. I don't get into anything else, right? I see what he's telling me I need to do. Because this message is coming from God direct, right? If I complain, tap on my face actually, right? Slap on my face. I cannot complain, right? Because this business in my hand. And you know what? I tell my friends today, right? If you doubt about the business, I can show you 100 people who made $1 million, right? But can you show me one person make $500,000 in your industry? Can you not? $500,000 in industry. I tell those people who tell this business doesn't work, right? Those days I used to tell them, you are absolutely correct. This business will not work for you, right? Bloody, you have to work for it, right? That is the only difference. So there are a lot of lazy bumps. Now I never got into those people trap. Because as I told you, I literally burned all the bridge, right? All the options, right? I only had one bridge and I was not attached with those bridges, right? I was not attached with those bridges. I was attached with only my goals, nothing else. So you know what? I'm emptied, Mike. I don't know how to speak good, man. I don't know how to speak, how to take system. I bloody talk. My wife tell, right? Sometimes you talk something else, then something else, right? I'm like this, what to do? I can't change, right? I get your point. And think about what if I would have not here. Today I would have never started the business, right? Where would I have been in my life? The point. So this is what, right? So I allowed to be a sponge to observe every messages from my apply and ready implement it, get it done, right? Till it get it done. Correct. And you know what? I emptied my cup every time. I said, whatever he said, I will follow the same. I do not want to use my own brain. Very simple, right? Correct. And I took ownership. Said, this is my bloody business. This is my bloody business, right? Correct. And nobody else will do this. Correct or not? And the third thing, I was not satisfied, right? There were some people that become an upline suddenly, right? My bloody V partner Sachin Bhai not acting like an upline in front of anyone. You know how humble. Still he showed 3 plans, man. I was so shy to sometimes to sit in front of him. You know what? Sometimes I feel like we never got this from him, right? Because he take crash courses 21 days with people spend 3 hours. We never got 3 hours from him, right? We got 3 minutes, 4 minutes. But you know, I took it like a beggar. I took it like nothing. I get your point. Because those messages are important to us. We didn't get a crash course for 3 hours. I tell us on that, right? If we would have been getting those crash courses, we would have been somewhere else, right? Correct. So this is what has a lot of people are blessed today, right? Because of this and all, right? So very simple. No, I was not satisfied. I was not acting and applying. I was not. Some people buy a Mercedes car and they drive this car forever in their life. Are you getting me? I'm not, right. I brought my BMW. Few months I fed up. Changed E-Class. Changed because life has to go on, man. Now I brought another Mercedes, another Cadillac. You know what? That day, Sachin Bhai took me to his car and he showed me his house. I blow, right? I say, freak, man. What is this? This is not a car, mashallah, right? This is not a car. From, he was explaining about his house. I was not hearing. I was seeing his car. He said, what a beautiful car, right? Now I had a dream. My Korean become bigger, right? I want to buy that car. I'm not satisfied what I'm driving today or whether with my Mercedes. I don't even take Mercedes nowadays. In a parking for so many days, right? I don't even take that, right? Because now I want to buy this. Correct or not? So I was not satisfied, right? I don't want to be like ISB applying or advanced ISB, whatever, right? It is. I don't want to be that, right? No, I want money, bro. Money in hand. Cash in hand. That can change our life, right? That can make our family high. Correct or not? I'm sorry if I took too much time. So I just end here. So I just want to tell you, I follow my upline 100%. Not my friends. Not my upline 100%, right? Correct. Because I have a dream. Correct. I allow myself him to program what I wanted, right? Because I already been programmed, which never take me anywhere in life. Trust me, guys. If you allow your motherboard to be programmed, you will rock the show, right? There is no any special medicine for that. I'm telling out of my 17 years of corporate experience. Correct. I'm not just telling you like this, right? So these things I did, right? I followed him. I empty every time my cup, right? And I took an ownership. And I'm not satisfied where I am. That's it, guys. And I love you all. Correct. I love you all. And thank you very much for listening to me. I'm sorry if I shouted because that's how I end up, right? I love you all. And I'll see you soon, inshallah. Can I go like this, Rahul bhai?